Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox back at you with another awesome video today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose up to 30 pounds and more. Okay, simply drinking this wonderful tea in the morning on an empty stomach. And if you do this as well as eat a healthy meal plan diet, you will see those results in your body. So let me show you the things you're going to need for this wonderful morning tea. Now, you're going to need 1 tomato. You're also going to need a pan, okay? That's on the stove getting hot right now. You're also going to need a liter of water. And I'm just going to put that into my pot, pan, whatever will hold that liter of water. Okay? So like I said, you're going to need a liter of water with a pan. You're going to need 1 tomato. You're going to need some ginger root. Fresh ginger root is preferable. Okay, fresh ingredients. You're also going to need a lemon or a lime. You're going to need some cumin seeds. And you're also going to need some honey. Okay, organic honey. That's good too. Alright, so from now, what we're going to do is our pan of water is on. And we're going to measure out 1 tablespoon, okay, of cumin seeds. We're going to boil that down. Easy morning tea routine. Then you're going to cut a nice portion of your ginger root. Alright? This is what's going to help to cut that weight down. Okay? So you're going to mash it, mince it, grate it, whatever is necessary to extract that juice out of it. What you're going to do afterwards is you're going to just put this inside your pan and boil it along with the cumin seeds. Okay? Okay, so now I'm just going to allow this pan to cool off. I'm just going to let this steep for at least 10 minutes while it's cooling off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dice up my tomatoes. And we're going to put this in our blender cup. Now my pan is cool and I'm just going to I'm just going to pour the content into my blender cup. Now I didn't put all of it in there only because this cup does not hold a lot. So I'm going to pour the rest in it afterwards. So right now I'm just going to blend this up. So now I'm going to take my blender cup and blend this down. Alright. What you could do is you could either take your lime or lemon. You could squeeze it directly in your cup. Okay, but you're going to use the juice of half a lemon. And you're going to take your organic honey. And you're going to use 1 teaspoon of that. Okay, put it in your blender cup or your Big Mama, Big Papa cup, and you can actually blend this back down by itself. But what I'm going to do is put it in my cup and continue blending. I should have done that already. Okay, I'm just going to mix it for a few. Okay, just a little bit, just to get it going. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish pouring the rest of my content inside my cup. because I want all of that goodness in there. And then I'm going to take whatever is in my blender and pour that in my cup. Okay. And mix that up. And that's it, you guys. Your wonderful fat burning drink that's going to help you to lose that fat, that weight, okay? And if you drink this along with eating a very light, healthy meal plan, you're going to see the weight getting off. Also, if you exercise, that's even more weight coming off. This is a wonderful booster. It's going to help to boost your metabolism, which is going to result in you losing weight. The tomatoes is very low in calorie and is wonderful for weight loss. Also, the fat burning effect of the lemon and the cumin. You're going to see your weight flushing down, okay? So don't forget, you guys, let me know how you enjoyed this drink. Try it, see for yourself that this is going to help to shed and slim you down, and you're going to see some miraculous results in your body, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and family videos on there, okay? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.